the air conditioner that should be upstairs. But you know what happened? I came home and my air conditioner that was here was broken. Theo. Are you talking? Oh, you're a good boy. Are you hungry? Did you have your dinner? It is Tuesday, the official first day of the regular week, because yesterday was a holiday. The weekend was nice, very uneventful, except for Sarah coming home, which was nice, you know. I'm doing my Henry walk before work. Today, let's see, Thomas has a sax lesson, so I have to pick him up. All the band stuff is winding down now. A couple more concerts at the high school, I think, or one more event, rather. And then we have our meeting June 10th for the marching band stuff. So yeah, it's very warm out today. It's supposed to be in the 90s. Kind of disappointed because I ordered a air conditioner for John and had it delivered so he would have it for this hot weather. And it just doesn't seem to be working. And it's really frustrating because it's a big heavy thing and I can't easily take it back to the store. But I'm going to have to try. The compressor's kicking on. So disappointing when you order something like a big item and then it doesn't work. It's like you're so excited. End of the week I'll be focused on Daniel's surgery and I don't know when it's going to be scheduled, so we'll talk more about that later. I am leaving my office. See it over there? That's where I sit, right in there in that office, I think. No, back there. That's the ice cream store. I work right next to an ice cream store. Isn't that amazing? Head on home. The air conditioner I got from PC Richards, yeah. That thing is not working. It's brand new. So I have to take it back tonight because I love my husband that much that I know we need to put an air conditioner in that one room. It's kind of quiet, which is good. It's hot and I'm really happy. I know this is really crazy. It just makes me so happy when it's like in the 90s. I don't know. I'm like a happy hot person. I don't know why. I don't know. I like it hot. I don't like it cold. You know, I complain all winter long. So, off to get my Thomas and carry on the rest of the afternoon. Hope Daniel's doing okay today. Had some problems this morning, though. I was going to say he's doing good. And we had a hard time getting him in the chair. He just extends. I don't even know what's hurting him. It's so frustrating, but I say the things I say. I'm like, sometimes it's like awkward, you know, you're like talking to yourself. It's like, well, I'm not that. What did I say that for? Oh, I better edit that out because that sounds really stupid. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm kind of annoyed. You wanna know why? You wanna know why I'm kind of annoyed? Because I tried to do a nice thing, right? And here's this stupid air conditioner, right? There it is. Damn thing does not work. Does not blow out any cold air at all, no matter what you do. This is the way they delivered it to me. The bottom was cut off, and there was this flimsy piece of dirty cardboard, and it was all taped together. So when I took it out of the box, the whole thing collapsed. The thing here was supposed to be adjustable to the window, and it does not fit. But the worst part is, they charged me, what did they charge me? $25 to deliver it. And it said in the paperwork, delivery and install. So if they had done what they said they were going to do, and taken it out of the box and turned it on, they would have known that it didn't work. But now I have to take it back to the store after paying $25 to have it delivered. So not only do I lose $25, now I got to pay to go back to the store and exchange it. So I'm really kind of aggravated. So the only reason I had to use PC Richards was because I have a credit card there and I didn't have the money to buy one outright, so I just have to suck it up. It's the only place that gave me enough credit to buy one. So there.
Totally.
It's nice and cold in here. I have to take Thomas to the high school, and then I gotta go exchange Daddy's air conditioner.
You're doing that though, okay?
Yeah, stop picking out the Mickey.
No picky the Mickey.
No picky the Mickey. Okay, so I'm at PC Richards in Son. It's a appliance store. All the way over here to Danbury to bring it back. Can't carry the damn thing, so hopefully they have a carriage or something in there. I am really annoyed. I just hope I receive some really turnaround customer service right now. It's going to be like a lot of traffic and it'll be really annoying, frustrating. So, doing this for my husband because he likes it to be cooler. It gets really cranky and we don't want him to be cranky, so we have to keep it cool. But I'm cranky today because they really messed me up. They really did. They messed me up. So now I got to go in there and talk to these people, and they're like creepy salespeople. You know, they're always trying to sell you something. They hover over you. Great, terrific. I need to like see if they had one that fit the window better, but I just decided to exchange it for the same one because apparently if I get this second one home and it doesn't make the room cold, there's gonna be one angry lady here. Okay, the guys were pretty nice. They gave me a $30 back, so that covered the cost of my delivery at least. And you know, take two. Oh, my back hurts from carrying the freaking thing. We're still in the parking lot. I gotta get Henry. Integrity, reliability, PC Richards. Really? Time to say goodnight. He looks so big in there, doesn't he?
He does, doesn't he? Yeah, he does. He doesn't move at all.
No, not since the fusion.
Really,
He
yeah.
really, when he was younger, he used to. He looks big, doesn't he?
He does, yeah.
Like a grown boy.
Grown teenager.
A young man. He is a young man. Oh, this was so cute. Oh, Theo. They were both laying there in front of the air conditioner. The air conditioner that should be upstairs. But you know what happened? I came home and my air conditioner that was here was broken. So, I am so done with the whole air conditioner thing. Like, I don't even know what to do. I just turned on the little one down here and I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna go to bed. Theo? Are you talking? Oh, you're a good boy. Are you hungry? Did you have your dinner? Do your cats walk on the table? Yeah. Ow! Oh no. Good morning, Wednesday birds. Oh, I just stepped in. Spilled cat water. I'll tell you something. It's just been kind of one of those mornings because Daniel woke up and his whole bed was like covered in formula. And it must have leaked. So yeah, I have to strip and clean and bleach this whole room and wash the floors and dust. So, because this stuff that he takes, it's like enteral feeding formula. It is nasty when it's like been out for a while. It smells so gross. Theo's gonna take a nap right in front of the refrigerator. He knows there's food in that cabinet. I love you. I didn't say I didn't love you. I said sometimes you're naughty. I'm fixing Henry's breakfast. This is his dog food. Henry eats and really likes the Core brand grain-free original formula by the Wellness Company. It's what he's eaten since he was a puppy, and it's really healthy, nutritional, protein focused. It's got green vegetables, flax and fish omegas, optimum fat and calorie, no grain, Very healthy. Coconut oil is really, really good for dogs. And I do that. And I also give him Holistic Digestol. It's a probiotic for dogs. It's really, really, really good for their tummies. And I mix that in with his food. And he gets about a half a cup. Doesn't seem like a lot, but he's got a little tummy. So
What are the ingredients?
it's really good. Healthy stuff. Read it. It's like amazing.
Hungry?
And then just mix that up so it dissolves. Sometimes he likes to put a little bit of water in there to soften it up, but
A little bit of cheese.
other time, no. If I put cheese on top, he'll just eat the cheese.
Rightfully so.
I need his dog dish.
That's like giving you breakfast and vegetables, or dessert and vegetables
Where's
at the
his
same
doggy
time.
dish? Let's get his doggy time for his breakfast.
I do.
Yummy, yummy. Come and get it.
Go get your breakfast.
Walk away, sniff it, and then eventually go eat it. Sometimes he removes the pieces of dog food out of the dish one at a time, carries them across the room, puts a little pile over there, and then eats it. I don't know why.
You're so weird.
You hungry?
You're so weird.
You know you're hungry.
Yeah, tummy's hungry. There he goes.
Good boy. Oh my goodness. Alright, so it started with waking up to Daniel's formula had leaked all over the place. So his room stank. So I had to strip the bed, bleach the underneath, clean it, clean the floor, take everything off, wash it, and then remake his bed. I tried to move an air conditioner, but the window, I can't get the window open. My back is killing me from lugging all these air conditioners. I woke up this morning, it's like, oh my goodness. And what happened yesterday was I went to this PC Richards. I exchanged the air conditioner I had bought for my husband for next to his bed, our bed, the master bedroom. And I got home and my big air conditioner that cools off my main living space, the kitchen family room, was not working. And apparently it's not working. It just stopped. It shorted out. I can't get it to start. No matter what I do, it like does this tiny little beep. So I think there's something wrong electrically. Anyway, so now I don't have that air conditioner. So I plugged in the little one I got for John in the living room. So now I got this little floor air conditioner pumping its heart out. It's going to be on like down. And John still doesn't have an air conditioner in his window. Now, one of them, the little one, probably still works enough to cool him down. But he won't put it in the window. He's just like, he makes me put all the air conditioners in the windows. And then lectures me about making sure they're level. Like I don't know how to do it. I've been doing it for like years. I've been the one doing it. Anyway, I do have a toolkit. I do use my tools. I do make sure things are right. So I just broke down yesterday because everybody is making such a mess in the house. It's like every bathroom is just like messy. And then I go around and I try to tidy up and try to clean. And it's like dirty toilets and just dust and stuff all over the floor. There's Judy. She said, your family treats you like you're Tabitha from Bewitched or I Dream of Jeannie. You could just like tweak your nose and do things. And I'm exhausted today. I don't know. I feel like I can't. I gotta clean the basement. I got furniture I need to move in Thomas's room so his desk can go up there. And I have to go to work. So I have to leave to go to work. And I don't know how. I mean, everything is just piling up. And I'm just really, it's just exasperating. Really? Dick. What a jerk. People are so rude. Nobody is nice in Newtown, okay? They used to be, but it's really ironic when somebody with a Be Kind sticker cuts you off and doesn't let you go. It's like, sorry. Okay, I'm going to drive myself to Starbucks. And I still have to go to work. And all of this is going to be in my head while I'm at work. And I'm worrying about Daniel's surgery. Larry, who I work with, he's the agent who owns the office. So he's kind of my boss, friend, coworker. Larry, he went over and walked over to the package store and came back and plopped this on my desk. He said, just because. I don't know, it's a bottle of wine. Isn't that sweet? like, people just don't randomly do things for me, usually. And like, that was really nice. All right, I gotta go in the house, see what's happening.
Never make up the cheer.
Thomas,
Cheer by the cheer.
how was school? Can I put you in my video?
Sure.
Okay, this is Ryan. Say hi, Ryan. Ryan's visiting Daniel. I just got home. Daniel, how was his day? Good day? Yeah. Good day. Hi. He's like, oh, she's got her camera again.
Mom, did you see the brownies?
Sarah sent me a picture.
Okay, come into the brownies.
Well, hold on, I just have to vlog it. You tired? Where's Ryan? Are you visiting with Ryan? That's really nice. How'd your mom drop you off?
Yeah. My sister's trying to have drum major, so she has to go pick it up too.
So what does she have to do? Nice. Very nice. Cute brownies. Surprise. Thank you, Sarah. Very nice. So the boys are having a nice chit chat, and I'm gonna go outside and get the mail. Want to get the mail with me? Okay. Thomas, I'm gonna get the mail. Watch your brother, you know. And he gave me permission to film him, by the way. Ryan is a really sweet kid. He is in high school. He's gonna be a sophomore next year. His sister's also in the marching band, so we know the family. They're really awesome. Ryan is Daniel's best buddy. And the Best Buddy organization is like they pair the kids up with, the special needs kids up with high school kids, and they just do different things. It's kind of hard with Daniel because he's not as high functioning as some of the kids, so he can't always participate in the activities, but we try to modify it as much as we can. And Ryan requested to come over and visit Daniel today, so his mom dropped him off. So they're talking. Wow, I've been in the office all day and feels so good to be outside. So good. So good to be outside with you, Henry. This is the first day so far this season that we've actually had a thunderstorm watch. Not a warning, watch. It feels like it could because there's like dark clouds here and there. But there's a nice breeze blowing and it feels good. It just feels good. Anyway, oh, it's so nice out. So nice out. So nice. So if I say potty, he knows it's time to go potty. What do they say? Dogs can know about 150 words? Hi. Hello, my friend. Are you watching the Minions? Yeah, is it bedtime almost? Did you have a long day today? I gotta give you a bath now. I'm gonna get it ready, okay? Yeah? Yeah. It's the end of Despicable Me Too. They're so cute. Nobody knows what they're saying. They're speaking Minion. I like when they, yeah, when they roll across the grass. Yeah. Are we dancing? Your shower's warming up. Daddy's gonna help. We're gonna get you showered. So sometimes I get a little busy. He is showered and I rubbed lotion on his back and gave him a nice little massagey. He feels better. He's just fussy right now because he's tired and he's like done with me messing with him. All right, let me just do this. Want me to dim the lights? I just have to do your medicine and then you can go to sleep, okay?